for the most part, I just try my business, but don't come over here sideways, sis, because you're going to regret it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you'll find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below right now. Hit it up. Thank you. Some are like a little personal, so I don't know if I'm going to get all into that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. The first assumption about me is you are not nice. It really just depends on who you are and how you treat me. I typically am obviously a little guarded whenever I first meet you. Like, I'm just weary of people in general. I just don't trust anyone. So like, unless you have like tried and true, like, you're probably not going to see my real version of myself, because I tend to just be a little bit guarded around people that I don't know. And yeah, that's that. You really believe horoscopes? Wrong. I actually only really follow astrology, but yeah, I do believe in astrology. There's just too many things that have proven that like it'd be right. I don't really follow horoscopes because that doesn't really do much for me, but definitely the astrology. I like to know people's traits. I typically at this point now can figure out what type of, at least one of your signs, like your sun, your moon, or your rising. I could typically tell at this point because I know all of the astrology so well. So yeah, Scorpio over here, doing what we do. You regret having children early. I have no idea how this assumption could even be remotely made, because I feel like people know that like the focal point, everything in my life is my children. Also, I'm not that young. I'm about to be 26 in like 2 months. I can't believe I just said that out loud. Yeah, I'm about to be 26 years old. So I'm in my mid-20s. I don't think I'm that young anymore. I mean, I guess I'm still young, but for all those who didn't have kids yet, like, I'll be on a yacht while y'all kids like 10, so. You don't make friends easily. I wouldn't say that I don't make friends easily, because I'm actually a pretty outgoing person. I just choose not to make friends. Like, my spots are filled up for my best friends. I don't need no more. I don't want no more. I'm not even looking for no more. If anything, it's hard to get into my circle because we don't have any issues. We don't be fighting. We don't be arguing. We don't have to worry about boyfriend. None of that. We don't do none of that. Like, my friends I have right now, like, they're like my sisters. They're gonna be in my wedding. They're in this for life, and I just don't need any other friends. So I guess, like, yeah, I don't really be making friends, but I also just don't want to. You want more kids. Listen, I don't want more kids. We good. I got 3. I had them back to back. We good. We done. Nothing else. I don't have nothing else to say about that. You don't take any from anyone. So for the most part, that's pretty true. I usually am very cutthroat. Like, I just don't let people walk all over me and things like that. Only way that people really are able to is people who like I love and care about. Sometimes I'm just a little bit more, I'm definitely an empath by nature. Like, I'm very empathetic towards people. Sometimes people use that to their advantage and take advantage of me. So that can suck, but my thing is like, if you're actually doing that, it all comes back, you know, whatever you put out into this world always comes back to you. So, you know, leave it at that. Being a good person and trying to help people out whenever you can is only going to put things into your favor and put good things out for you. And it comes back to you sometime in this lifetime, and that's what's most important. You liked being pregnant. No, I did not. I did not like being pregnant. I did not like being pregnant at all. You are mad shady. LOL. I am. I'm sorry. I really am. So, like, I really just be reading people to filth. Like, but only when provoked. That's when you can see my shady / petty side. Like, that's really all I do now, because I really observe people. I'm definitely a people watcher in general, and I take note of things and don't mention it. But Now you done said some wild stuff. Now I just gotta point out that maybe things aren't the greatest on your end, and you know, people get mad at me for that, so whatever. Don't throw rocks if you got a glass house. That's why I mind my business. Unless you come for me, I ain't got nothing to say, because I mind my business. My life ain't perfect, you know, and I'm still working on things I want to work on, you know. So for the most part, I just try to mind my business, but don't come over here sideways, sis, because you're gonna regret it. You've been through a lot. Yeah, I feel like I've been through a lot, but I think that everyone's been through a lot, and everyone, you know, works with it on their own way. I do think that everything that's happened to me in my life has turned me into the person I am today, and I don't regret it for anything. I'm an extremely strong person. I believe resilience is a trait that every person should work on having, and I thrive off of that. So there's really nothing in life that I feel like can come my way that I won't be able to bounce back from and to flourish, and that's all that's important. Flourishing. You're a player. No, I'm not. I just like feel like I have to have all of my life in order before I'm really ready to super settle down with anyone. And like my number one priority is to be able, especially now that I have children, is to be successful for not only myself but my children. And until I'm in the place where I feel like my career is where I want it to be, I'm just like not really interested in getting married. Like that's just not something that is a top priority of mine at the moment. Not until I get all my ducks in a row. It's just like, catch me when I'm washed. Like 30, I'm gonna get married at 30. Before then, not my prime, sis. I'm just not doing it. Being a great mom, being successful, being a baddie. It's a lot to balance, you know? You mad funny. I'm funny to everyone except like the people that I date. Like everyone just thinks I'm so funny until like they start dating me. I wonder why. No, yeah, I be cracking jokes every now and again. Nothing too crazy. You fake like basketball. Alright, like, for real though? No, that's not true. I actually really enjoy basketball. I watch all basketball, NCAA and NBA basketball. And occasionally I'll watch an AAU game, you know, so...
Don't do that with me. I watch more basketball than some men. I know more stats than men. I'm not about to play these games with y'all, because if you follow me on social media, especially whenever it gets around playoff seasons,
y'all be seeing the stress that I be going through, because the teams that I like never win. Only thing I hope is that my kids love basketball as much as I do, especially the twins. Like, I think I'll be devastated if they like wanted to play something else, or they had like no interest in basketball at all. I would just be so hurt, because it's really one of my favorite pastimes. You like to fight. All right. No, I don't like fighting. I've been in a fight in a long time. And usually people want to fight me for these are the two main reasons. Either a guy that they're there with is trying to talk to me, one, or two, they got mad because I said something smart and they hit me first. And again, this goes back to, if you say something to me, I'm gonna read you for filth, and then you probably gonna have to hit me. But now I just don't even do that anymore either, because like now I'm a mom, you know, you can't be fighting as a mom. That's wild. This is not basketball wives. No, but seriously, I think that a lot of it be coming from me just like beating my face really good and then going out and girls really be mad at me for no reason. Like literally just last weekend I went out and I just finished recording a video, the Virgo video. If you didn't catch it, I will put up here in the description box. And I was standing at the bar. There's a guy here. I'm right here. There's like a decent amount of space between us. We're not interacting with each other. We're not looking at each other. I didn't even know the guy was really there. He was just not my type. He had like dreads. I'm like, I don't like that. So I'm just trying to order a drink. This girl comes barging in and like bumps me, bumps him, like, really? Right in my face? And then starts like pushing and nudging like on me, like trying to push me out the way. And she assumed that I guess the guy was like talking to me, or I was trying to talk to him or what. And it's just like, I always end up in these type of situations literally from doing nothing. I'm like, why is this girl trying to fight me right now? Like, so then her friend comes over and she's like, and I'm like, this is like an intense amount of insecurity, and you shouldn't even be out with the dude if you this stressed about him being around people of the opposite sex, because this is a bar. You know, I'm like, girl, I am just trying to get my shot of Jameson. That's it. The twins are your favorite. Wow. So no, that's definitely not true. I definitely put them on the gram a little bit more because my daughter is literally just at the stage where she's not the nicest, and she just doesn't like being photographed. She doesn't like getting pictures. She doesn't like getting videos. She slaps the camera, she cries, she falls out. So I really just be leaving her be and minding her business. I'm also more protective of my daughter because people are weird, and I've had some weird instances with her already where like a guy was taking her pictures, and all the videos I was putting, he was screen recording them and putting them in a folder because he said that she was just too beautiful. And I just was like really weird about that, so I really stopped putting her on all of my social media for a while. But no, I definitely don't have a favorite child. Loyalty is everything to you. Yes. Over love, over all of that, it don't mean nothing to me. You can love me, but if you're not loyal to me, I don't trust you, and we can't move forward. Period. Did you get these assumptions about me right? Let me know down below. Down in the comments section, please leave a comment. My engagement is low. I'm trying to get it back up, guys. Y'all are watching and not commenting, and I don't know why. Help your girl out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. Also, here's some more here. Do you want to watch baby stuff? Do you want to watch makeup stuff? I got some playlists here for you. Yeah? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.